Hello, this is Cinema 4D Quick Tips, and today we will show you how to create a slow motion effect in dynamic simulations. Create a sphere by clicking and holding on the cube icon and choosing sphere from the pop-up palette. Then create a Voronoi fracture object by clicking and holding on the cloner icon and choosing Voronoi fracture from the pop-up palette. Go to the Object tab, uncheck the Colorize Fragments, and make the sphere a child of the Voronoi fracture. Right-click on the Voronoi fracture in the Object Manager, select Simulation Text, and click on Rigid Body. Go to the Dynamics tab of the Rigid Body tag, check the Custom Initial Velocity box, set the direction along the x-axis to 1, and increase the speed to 10,000 centimeters. Zoom out the default camera and drag the sphere against the x-axis in the viewport. Duplicate the sphere by pressing the Control button on your keyboard and clicking and dragging the sphere along the x-axis. Select the Rigid Body tag of the second Voronoi fracture object, go to the Dynamics tab, and change the direction along the x-axis to -1. Open the Material Manager. Create a new Redshift standard material by clicking on the New Default Material Plus logo. Go to the Base Properties tab. Change the base color to blue. And apply the material to the first Voronoi fracture object. Then create another material. Change its color to red. Apply it to the second Voronoi fracture object. And close the Material Manager. Press the Play Forwards button in the Animation toolbar. As you can see, the spheres fly so fast that the moment of collision is difficult to track. Let's slow down the animation during the collision. Stop the animation and go to the start of the timeline. Open the Edit menu. Click Project Settings. Go to the Simulation tab. Then go to Scene tab. There is a timescale property here that will help us to create the effect of slow motion. Let's play our animation frame by frame. Frame 1, frame 2. Now click on the diamond to the left of the timescale property to create the first T-frame. From this frame, the animation speed will slow down. Go to the next frame, frame 3. Set the time scale to 0.1 to slow down the animation by 10 times, and click on the diamond to create the second T-frame. Go to the start of the timeline and play the animation frame by frame again. Once you reach frame 35, create the third T-frame. To start speeding up the animation from here. Go on. Once you reach frame 40, set the time scale to 1 and create the fourth keyframe. From this frame, the animation will run at full speed. Go to the start of the timeline and press the Play Forwards button. Now we can clearly see what happens at the moment of collision of spheres. Thank you for your attention, subscribe to the channel and put your finger up.